Ever pondered the idea of starting your own YouTube channel? Wondered how you might share your unique perspectives, talents, or expertise with the world? Well, sit back, relax, and listen closely. In the next 7 minutes, you'll discover the simple, easy-to-follow steps to turn that thought into a reality. Before we dive in, remember this. YouTube is not just a video platform, it's a vibrant community. Your channel is your personal space within this community. It's where you'll tell your story, engage with viewers, and leave your mark. So, how does one begin this journey? Step 1. Create a Google account. If you already have one, great. If not, it's time to get one. A Google account gives you access to all of Google's services, including YouTube. Step 2. Sign into YouTube. Use the Google account you've just created or the one you already have. Step 3. Click on the user icon at the top right of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the Create a Channel option. Step 4. Choose how to create your channel. You can use a brand or business name or your own name. Choose the one that best fits your vision. Step 5. Fill out the necessary information. Here's where you'll add your channel name and a description. The description is your chance to tell viewers what they can expect from your channel. Step 6. Upload a profile picture. This image represents your channel on YouTube, so choose something that accurately reflects your brand. Step 7. Add links to your website and social media accounts. This is optional but highly recommended. It's a great way to drive traffic to your other online platforms. Step 8. Create channel art. This is the large banner displayed at the top of your channel. Make it eye-catching and relevant to your content. Step 9. Upload your first video. Remember, quality is key. Make sure your video is well edited and engaging. Step 10. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media. Tell your friends and family. Use SEO tactics. Anything to get the word out. So, there you have it. 10 simple steps to kickstart your YouTube journey. To recap, create a Google account, sign into YouTube, create your channel, choose your channel name, fill out the necessary information, upload a profile picture, add links to your website and social media, create channel art, upload your first video, and promote your channel. Embarking on this journey may seem daunting, but remember, every great YouTuber started exactly where you are right now. It's time to seize the opportunity and create something extraordinary. Good luck!